class is now open. I don't have to kneel down on the dirt or anything. That's what this pad here is for. I just use a little shovel. You know, slow and go. That's all you need. You don't need a big old shovel. And sometimes, if you have to bend down, you can do it. You can do it with one hand. You know, I can do it with both hands. If I get tired of one leg, I can do it. I'm usually right-handed, so this is the way I do it. I already got the weed block underneath there. I pulled it out and then I kind of rearranged all the loose bits all around. Okay, so I got a 5/8. Now what? Now watch. I just grab that and up I go. Very simple, but when you're tired of just doing it with the knee pad, hey, you got to get one of these. You'd be glad you got one of those. I'll be right back. Hang on. Helps me get back down here. You'll be glad, trust me. Only so much you can get in a shovel anyways. If you had a big shovel, it's harder to get it in there. Plus, how are you going to manage it when you're down here like this? You know? And yeah, I got some sand bits in here, but I'll have to take it all out, and I'll have to just sort it all before I use this rock again. When I get done just sorting it, the rock's going to be like brand new. You see, up and at 'em. Away you go. Be right back. You see anything hard about this? Yeah. Get yourself some gloves. I got some goggles on, knee pad, a knee brace on, back support, lumbar support on, long sleeve shirt on, earplugs on. You can have a mask if you wanted, if the wind's blowing in your face, whatever. Oh man, I should have brought my water bottle out here. I'll get that later. But I always like to have a water bottle out here too, to hydrate. I'm just like the Energizer bunny. You can do the same thing. When you get tired, you can clean up a little bit. You can take some of the weed block, cut that out as you're resting. I did this yesterday. I was tired, but I did different things. I did some pruning. I did some cleanup around the rose bush to the right, so I could get under there and clean all the rocks. And as I was doing that, I was resting. You know, from shoveling. You know what I mean? Okay, so that's how you use this. That's how you use this little helper there. And like I said, this thing here, okay? I poo-pooed Momi when she first got that. I thought there's no way on God's green earth I'm going to use that and feel stupid using that. I don't need that. I've never used it before. And son of a gun, I tried it out one day. I thought, hey, you know what? This works pretty good.